Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to send your BNB, Smart Chain BNB from Trust Wallet to Binance step by step. First of all, you're going to have to make sure you have your Binance application installed on your phone and also the account verified as well, so you don't have hiccups or issues when exchanging your currency for money or whatever form you might exchange it for. So first of all, we're going to be opening up our Binance application. Mine is on my home screen, so we'll make use of that. I've opened up Binance, and the next place we're going is deposit. We're going to be depositing some BNB. So BNB, here it is, BNB Smart Chain, not BNB Chain or Ethereum, just BNB Smart Chain. We click on it. We copy the wallet address like so. Once that's done, we check the network, it's still BNB, and we minimize. And now we're going to head over to Trust Wallet, which is also on my home screen. Don't forget guys, whenever you're opening up Trust Wallet, you're always met with the prompt to input your passcode. Once that's done, you're gaining access to your Trust Wallet application like so, with your Smart Chain available at the top of the chart. And now we're going to be sending some Smart Chain over to my Binance account by simply clicking send. We're going to be pasting the recipient address like so, and then we're going to be sending call it $1.05. Let's just make it $2. Okay, from here we're going to click on continue. The transaction fee is the network fee is $0.03. From here we click confirm, give it some time to load up, and the transfer is taking place. We reload and it's done instantly. And now we head over to our Binance. You exit and you go back to your overview where all your balance are made, and here it is. It's confirming about $2 of BNB. 3 network confirmations. This deposit requires 15 confirmations to reach your account. So once it's done, the money is going to be deposited in our account, just like that. So you just reload, or you give it some time, and once it's done, it's going to reflect on your account, like I said. If you have any questions concerning how to deposit BNB Smart Chain from your Trust Wallet to your Binance, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.